In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Zoom meeting and invite others step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. First, open your web browser and go to the Zoom website. Then sign into your Zoom account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create a free account before continuing. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main Zoom dashboard. This is the home base where you can see upcoming meetings, previous meetings, and all your scheduling options. At the top or left side of the page, look for the option labeled Schedule a Meeting and click on it. This will open a form where you set up all the details of your meeting. Start by giving your meeting a clear, descriptive topic so people know what it's about at a glance. You can also add an optional description to provide more context, like what will be covered or who should attend. Next, choose the date and start time for your meeting, and then set the duration. It's okay if you go a little over the scheduled end time. Zoom won't cut you off exactly at that minute, but try to choose something close to what you expect. Make sure your time zone is correct so everyone sees the right time on their invitation. Now decide whether you want to require a passcode. For most meetings, leaving the default passcode on is a good idea for security. You can also choose whether participants can join before the host and whether you want to use the waiting room feature. If you're new to Zoom and want more control over who enters, keeping the waiting room on is usually best. Scroll down to the video and audio options. Choose whether you want the host and participants' video to start on or off when they join. Many people prefer to keep video off by default and let participants turn it on themselves. For audio, leave it set to allow both computer and phone audio, so people can join in whatever way works best for them. When you're happy with all the settings, click the Save button. You'll now see a summary page for your meeting with the date, time, and all the options you just set. To invite others, look for the section labeled Invite Link or Join URL. Click the button that says Copy Invitation or Copy Link. You can now paste this into an email, a calendar event, or a chat message to share it with your participants. Once they receive the link, all they need to do is click it at the scheduled time to join your Zoom meeting. And that's it. You've scheduled a Zoom meeting and invited others to join.